We made it. Colorado River.
That motherfucking shit right here.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, my new channel, SoCal Fishing with Gio. I'd like to say that I'm sorry I didn't post anything. I'm apologizing to my few subscribers. Thank you guys very much for subscribing. The reason why I was not able to post or do any videos upload is because when I first started the channel, I actually used an off-market little action camera, and what had happened was that I was able to record twice, and after those two videos it took a beating. It stopped wanting to record, and when I was pressing the button to record, it wouldn't record, so I couldn't do that. Now fortunately I have gone out and bought myself a GoPro, so shout out to GoPro, you know, for making these good quality cameras. And nonetheless, I want to say that this would be a video back, sorry, this would be a another video now, my third video on a new camera, which is the GoPro. And this time we are actually out here. I'm actually out here with the boys, a Hookset crew, in collaboration with Outdoor Junkies, and we are actually here in borderline of Arizona and California at the Colorado River. We are fishing the Colorado River. What we want to do is we're gonna be here for about 4 days, 5 days, I want to say, and we're gonna do camp out, fish, and try out, you know, on the kayaks, of course. And it's gonna be pretty exciting, y'all. You know, we think there's really good potential here, and I'm hoping that I can hook up on a nice fatty, and I hope everybody else, all the guys, hook up also. So I want to say also that Outdoor Junkies actually has a channel, a YouTube channel, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. He is gonna be vlogging and recording, so don't miss out his footage. And also Reeling with Rich, my boy Rich, he's got a channel also, really good content as well, so check him out because he will be recording also. So I'll see you guys in a bit in the water. I'm gonna go get this yak ready to launch off, and we'll see what fish we can hook up on. See you guys out there. All right guys, I just hooked up. I just got one. Eat the skunk. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go, guys. Here we go. I gotta get this. There we go. Let me see if I can snap a picture of this. You guys see this? Now I'm gonna get a nice little release on this guy. There we go, look at that. How nice is that? Beautiful release. That's the first fish of the trip. It was a nice little fish, but we did good. We bit the skunk, we broke the ice, and that's just, it is just beginning. So let's see if we can get another one. Let me fix my plastic here. Our goal is to get a nice fat one. Did y'all see that blow up right in front of me? I don't know if I got it on video, but there was a blow up right there in front of me. It came right up and went right back down. No go on this one. It's alright, I'm gonna keep tossing it out. We eating good. Check this out. It's a cool little spot to be at. It gets really hot. So this is the Colorado River, and we're actually standing on the Arizona side. Way on the other side over there, that's actually the California side. Got the yaks down there. I don't know if you guys can see them, they're all down there. 3 yaks. Cool spot. Alright guys, we're out in the water now. Let's see if I can hook up on one right now. Alright guys, I think I'm on. Yeah guys, I'm on. Fish on!
You on?
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright guys. There we go. There we go guys. Little smallmouth. I'm on again. Oh, he slipped out of the net. Alright guys, here you go. Fish number 2. Technically number 3, but the first one that I hooked up to, I got it up to the bank and it just came off. So technically fish number 3 of the morning. Doing so good by far. Gonna let it go. See him let it go. There he goes. Hey, good morning. What's up, you guys? So today's actually our last day here at Colorado River. We're gonna do a little morning fishing, have a little fun, and head back home. So we'll see what this morning brings to us. Maybe throw a frog out, whopper proper, try to get some top water. Got one. Fish on. I ain't letting this motherfucker go. Oh. Got his ass. There you go, guys. First one of the morning. Success. Here you go. I'm on again. See if I can. Oh my God, it came off. Here you go. Fish number 4. Nice bass. Let's get a release on him. Oh, I gotta see this. All right, well, I hooked up on fish number 4, but Rich hooked up on a good one over there. So we're gonna go and get a film of this. You still got it? Huh? Well, Rich hooked up on a nice fatty, and we can't get it out because it ended up being behind his seat. So we're gonna go to shore real quick and see if we can get him on, so we can get a video of it and a picture of it. He's got a really nice one. I'm trying to get this on video before my shit hurts. Look at that. Hey, look at that bad boy. Woo. It's a nice one. He got cut. He got cut on top of his. Oh. The best that Rich got, he's got a crawfish coming out of his mouth.
Look at, they're feeding on these crawls, bro.
Same one from yesterday. Look at that. That's a nice fatty right there. Alright guys, well this is it for Colorado River. Got Mark up there, we got Rich, myself. We're getting ready to load up and head out. Probably grab something to eat, shower, pack up, and head back home. Overall, it was a good day.